Okay.
Okay, say something.
Matteo, say something. Matteo,
Hey.
talk to Daddy.
Hey.
Oh, but he was so talkative, and now not anymore.
He's shy in front of the camera.
Okay, maybe he wants to talk to me. Here, you film.
Okay.
Little one? Little one? Little one? Do you want to talk? Do you want to talk a little bit? Ow, ow, ow. Do you want to talk? Do you want to talk a little bit? Who loves you? Who loves you? Who loves you? Who loves you? That hurts. That hurts. Okay.
Yay.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Goodbye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.